Hi everybody, today we're going to do the one pot meal and the gluten-free. It's a rice and vegetable. The ingredients is rice. We soak the rice for half hour and more. If you can soak more than half hour, okay. Put the rice into the pot. 2 cups of rice, put in 1.5 cup of water. Here we have some broccoli, mushrooms, cabbage, and radish. So we will chop them and then with rice together. Also, I prepare some carrot and spinach. So whatever the vegetable you like, you can put it in. Not really have to stick to this material. We're cutting the radish into matchstick. The radish on the top. Try to even it up. We're gonna chop the carrot into the matchstick. Carrot put into the pot. Shred cabbage. Put cabbage in. Today I'm going to use this mushroom. You can use any mushroom, will be okay. I just slice it. Now we'll cut this broccoli. We'll turn the fire on. Now we set up the timer for 7 minutes. We're gonna mince the garlic. Soy sauce and brown sugar. Shallots and garlic into the sauce. Put some gochujang into the sauce. After 7 minutes, put some water around it. Wow, the fragrance is so nice, all the different vegetables. Nice. Last 2-3 minutes we put the spinach in. This don't need to cook long. Chewy mushrooms. Now we're going to fry egg. Put the egg on the top and our yummy sauce and the gochujang, sesame oil. Very delicious.